Entering into the inside dining space, you see it's amazing fine dining. Here we have given almost 35 to 40 sittings for the people. The overall concept here was like very dark charcoal palette in the ceiling and even the dark flooring to give that very cozy cocoon kind of an ambience where you just focus on, conversation building and food. So where you see the soft lighting which we have done, in the evenings you can see natural light coming in, but in the night when this space is open for fine dine, it is only having focused soft lighting. You can see the focus on the jalis what we have created and the ceiling. The cornices what you see on the ceiling are done in POP to have everything in the budget. Here you see like a smooth flooring turning up into a very organic, flowy concrete wall. The concrete wall here is done in POP. To give this kind of organic flow to the whole space. The 19th and 20th century European Gothic look is kind of cut into a modern concept with the organic flow of this wall. This wall goes everywhere in the interiors to give that kind of soft look, and where you see this kind of totems, it anchors the whole space and also act as a very much a focal point for the design. These are made in FRP by our artisans. It has light inside. It's a very kind of an organic shape and done with texture on the top of it. Now coming to the cozy space here, this is a special cozy dining space where you see the totem which is coming on from the ceiling, and this is a space for 8 people dining. So once you come inside, this is a very cozy private dining space built for 8 people. The top of the table is veneer polished in acrylic PU. The custom-made chair is done in pure wood polished black and is very sturdy and comfortable for long dinners. The continuity of the flowing organic wall which you have seen is given a very concrete texture finish and continues throughout the space. And let's go and see the other space and the other details. So here as you see the lighting which focuses on the jali here, it was custom made to break the monotony of the organic wall what we have created here. So the jali you see on the both the sides, it's given to break the continuity of the organic flow walls you see, and also this jali is seen from outside in the evenings when the light is focused on this jali, representing Italian designs which has like the reputation of the pasta and lot of Doric columns. Even you can see the Tower of Pizza there and a Pantheon there. So this was the whole concept to give an Italian partition feel, which was done on HDMR, and again it was given a charcoal palette on it. All the coffered ceiling what you see is divided because of the beam structure what we were getting from the building. So we have not constructed the ceiling height which is low. To increase the ceiling height, we have used this coffered kind of ceiling and given the different kind of POP cornices to it. Now coming to this column, we had a very huge structural column here, and we didn't wanted to really go around it, and we wanted to have an aesthetic kind of column. So we gave a nice paneling and a 3D pattern on it which is very European and Gothic, and highlighted this space which is anchoring the whole space here. For any restaurant, the number of seating is equal to ROI. So most important was not losing the space and utilizing each and every space properly. So one other issue what we were having is we extended the roof a little bit to increase the inner space, and we had an structural column here inside which is a metal column inside. So wanted to have the same look of the totem here. So we had the cladded with the ply, and then we cladded it with the POP and created this totem similar to all the sculpture what we have in the interiors and outdoor. The journey was very intricate as the whole space was bare and it was a terrace of very old building and in the center of the city. So creating the whole interior and outdoor space was a long process structurally and the aesthetic wise also. This whole interior, what you see, do you think the drama ends here? No. So really what we were thinking, to each and every passage we wanted to give that kind of surprise and an art element to, which catches your eye and you need to stop there and take a pause. So this was one more thing which we created. When you enter the bathroom, you have a god of wine who is just giving a celebration cheers to you, and it is so inviting and Instagram worthy, and everyone loves this thing what we have done. It's very monochromatic yet very dramatic, and this was the whole concept. So whenever you create some interiors of restaurant, the most important thing is the functionality, the aesthetic and the circulation. So creating any design for restaurant cannot work, because most important at the end of the day it's a business for someone. So when you design something which is for your guest, understand your guest, understand people who are going to use this space and what kind of aesthetic they will need, and the budget of the project, and then really you can create wonders. So that's it for today in a very monolithic rouge kind of cabaret kind of interiors of a fine dine restaurant. Thank you so much.